Wow.
I hope they don't poop on me.
Maybe.
Watch, Eddie, watch.
Wow.
They're pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Beautiful too.
Sure not very deep out here. Look at the water. It's only like so many inches deep.
See? See, look the crab and the fish.
I don't see any crab or fish.
I see.
When I got close to the side there, kind of the little legs like locked up. Let's take a break right here, honey.
No, I want to go on the end. Because if I stop, I'm too cold.
Oh, okay. Ah, great day today, huh? Nice and sunny and warm.
And bikini.
Yeah, bikini weather here, man. Oh gosh, look at this boy.
Oh no. Why you try to poop on here? But we have the bags.
Yeah. Oh, that's all that's in there.
Crabs, shell, shrimp. Oh, I want crab.
Say hi, Hannah.
I'm too cold, Daddy. Grandpa. Heather, good girl. You're so nice, Heather. You good listening. Wow.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. Boy. Can you give me the paper towel?
I just want to put it. Okay. You want to use this? Take it out?
Huh?
Use this to take it out?
No, we'll use this.
You should have left the gas on. We're going to cook the tortillas.
Not beautiful, but tastes good.
Yeah. Oh, that crispy right there would be really good.
It is.
Yeah.
So,
it's all right.
boy.
Take all of it out too. All the crispy.
Yeah.
Get the rack, honey, and put it right here. I could try that one afterwards.
Oh, turn off already.
Much better. Try this.
Yeah. You want more tortilla?
Yeah, but I can wait.
Okay. I turn off. I not turn off this.
Yeah, that's fine.
I take the crispy one. A lot. I take a lot.
You want to put this on? It's really good.
This the spicy sauce. I like.
It's not enough.
Not spicy enough or
No, I mean it's just not. It's
not
kinda
more
plain.
taste. Huh?
Yeah. Put that on. It's excellent.
How about the new barbecue? Tastes good.
That's the new. Wow, that's spicy.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, I need to tie my hair, not. A problem when I eat.
Want more spice sauce on it, honey?
You not take?
There's probably enough for another scoop.
I miss the spicy sauce from the our neighbor they buy for us.
Oh yeah.
The taco.
Yeah.
So spicy, I like.
Yeah.
Tastes so good.
Is it good? With the barbecue sauce. Yeah. Yeah. It's a spicy barbecue taco. Tilapia.
Got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I